many companies and brands are asking the question of how can they tell a story to their customers and consumers that has significantly more integrity around what is the impact that their products and ingredients are having, and can they even tell a story that's pointing to how their product is having a significantly positive effect on ecosystems and communities rather than just reducing or mitigating harm. So one thing we aim to do is to really kind of peel the curtain back on regenerative agriculture and really make visible and explicit what these leading edge of the industry production systems actually are and how they work on the ground, what their implications are for producer profitability and for their effect on ecosystems and the climate. So let's say that you work with a company who is sourcing almonds for one of your products. And like many companies, you might be aware of the impacts that agriculture is having on ecosystems and on the global climate system and on the communities that those products are being sourced from. Even organic almond production in California is having a significant impact on aquifers and groundwater resources. And so to imagine a form of almond production that could actually recharge aquifers rather than deplete them, it's really requiring a reimagining of how almonds are produced. The purchasing of the product itself is not enough. It actually requires a partnership with the people and communities and landscapes that those products are coming from, and that often may involve some quite counterintuitive moves that even expand your business model or open up whole new products or markets that didn't exist before.